Hello everybody, welcome back to our hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily delete a note on your Bitwarden on PC. So first, what you guys want to do is select the note that you want to delete. So for me, it will be this one. And now, what you guys need to do is click on the trash icon right at the bottom on the right side of the screen. And then it will ask you if you wanted to send it to the bin, then click yes, and now go to the bin. It's not deleted yet, but here we need to click on the note again, and then we need to click on the trash icon on the right side at the bottom of the screen. It will permanently delete this item after you click yes, so make sure that you really want to delete it. After that, just click yes, and as you guys can see, this note disappeared. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.